How do legal costs affect your right to due process? Imagine facing a legal challenge where the outcome could significantly impact your life, property, or freedom. Now consider how the expenses associated with legal proceedings might influence your ability to pursue justice. Legal costs encompass court fees, attorney fees, expert witness expenses, and other related expenditures necessary to navigate the judicial system. These costs can vary widely depending on the complexity of the case, the jurisdiction, and the legal representation chosen. When legal costs are high, they can create substantial barriers for individuals seeking to exercise their rights within the legal system. For example, in civil cases such as disputes over property or contractual disagreements, the financial burden may discourage some parties from pursuing claims or defenses. This phenomenon is often referred to as chilling effect, where the fear of incurring prohibitive expenses deters individuals from asserting their rights. In criminal cases, legal costs can also influence the fairness of proceedings. Defendants who cannot afford proper legal representation may be forced to accept inadequate defense or representing themselves, which can compromise their right to a fair trial. Courts have recognized that access to competent legal counsel is essential to ensure due process, and in some jurisdictions, legal aid programs are designed to mitigate the impact of costs on defendants with limited financial means. Legal costs can also affect the ability to appeal a decision. If the expenses associated with appealing are prohibitive, individuals may be prevented from challenging unfavorable rulings, thereby limiting their right to seek rectification or justice through higher courts. This financial barrier can undermine the principle that justice should be accessible to all, regardless of economic status. Furthermore, the disparity in legal costs can lead to unequal treatment under the law. Wealthier parties may afford more comprehensive legal representation, potentially influencing case outcomes. This imbalance raises concerns about fairness and the equal application of justice, core components of due process. In summary, legal costs play a significant role in shaping how individuals can access and navigate the judicial system. When expenses become a barrier, they threaten the fundamental right to a fair trial and equal justice, emphasizing the importance of legal aid, procedural fairness, and policies aimed at reducing financial obstacles in legal proceedings.